Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk through Music Theory Practice Paper 2023 Grid 5A, Section 1, Rhythm. 1.1. Circle the correct time signature for each of these bars. Question A. When we look at the beams, it looks like there are two groups of notes. If we look at the answer, 2-4 and 6-8 are duple time, but 3-2 is a triple time, so we can opt out the 3-2. Now look into the grouping of notes. The first group, we can group two semiquavers into one quaver. So the first group has 3 quavers. In the second group, there are 2 demisemiquavers. This is equal to 1 semiquaver. And together with this semiquaver, we have 1 quaver. We have another 2 quavers here, so altogether 3 quavers. If we group them together, it fulfills the division of a compound duple time, which is 3 quavers in a group, and altogether 2 groups. So 6-8 is the answer. Question B. Since the answer gives us a 4 in the lower figure, so that means we can count the number of crotchets. In this case, I would like to work backwards. Here we have the first crotchet. A group of quaver triplets equals to 1 crotchet. And this group, 1 quaver plus 2 semiquavers, also equal to 1 crotchet. Another group of crotchet here and here. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 crotchets. So must be 5, 4. Question C, we will look into the triplet first. A group of crotchet triplet is equal to a minim. A group of 4 semiquavers equals to 1 crotchet. Here we have 1 crotchet, another crotchet. The first 2 notes, dotted crotchet and quaver, equal to a minim. The last one is a syncopation rhythm. 1 crotchet plus 2 quavers, it's a minim. So altogether, the groupings like a minim crotchet, and crotchet minim, it's the same. So it looks like 9 crotchets in a bar, which is 3 in a group. So it must be a 9-4. 1.2. Here is a bar in compound time. 6-8 means compound duple time. Now we are asked to change to simple time. So from 6-8 change to simple time must be a 2-4. So we opt out 3-4 because 3-4 is a triple time. Now we look at the second and the third line. They are almost the same. Only the last note is different. Remember when we change the time signature from compound to simple, we have to keep the original note values. But for simple time, we can group 3 notes into a triplet. And here is also 3 quavers grouped into a quaver triplet. So definitely this one is the correct answer. 1.3. Complete the following 2 sentences by adding a number to each. A. In 9/8 time, there are how many dotted crotchet beats in a bar? Let's write down 9/8 time means 9 quavers in a bar. 3 quavers add together is a dotted crotchet. So there are altogether 3 dotted crotchet beats in a bar. Question B. A double dotted crotchet is equal to how many semiquavers? Let's draw out a double dotted crotchet. This is equal to a crotchet plus a quaver because the first dot has half the value of the previous note. So it's a quaver. And then the second dot is half the value of the previous dot. That means a semiquaver. So we can add it together. One crochet equals to 4 semiquavers. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. 1.4. Tick one box to show which bar is grouped correctly. They are all 12/16 time. That means there are 4 groups of semiquavers. 16 means semiquaver. 12 is compound quadruple time. So there are 4 groups. When we look at the first line, it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of notes. So it does not fit into the 4 groups of semiquavers. The second line and the third line has the same group. There are 4 groups. Let's look into the third line, first group. 4 demi-semiquavers equal to 1 quaver. The next one is a dotted semiquaver. The dot is half the value of the previous note. So as we look at this group, is irregular and it is not equal to 3 semiquavers. So definitely this is not a correct grouping. So we opt out the third line and only the second one is correct. 1.5. Tick or cross each box to show whether the rests are correct or incorrect. 3 true time, we can write out 3 minim beats in a bar. So as we group first minim and the last minim here, the middle group should be a minim. But the grouping of rest, we usually finish the subdivision of the quaver. So make it a crotchet and then another quaver rest to make another crotchet. So the original crotchet rest is incorrect. In the second bar, we can work backwards. Here is a minim. Quaver rest plus 3 quavers, also a minim. So we can see the dotted crotchet and quaver makes a minim, and it is a correct grouping. Bar 3, a group of crotchet triplets equals to 1 minim. And the middle rest, we can see this is a minim rest. And the last group, this quaver fulfill the subdivision of the quaver. So it forms another minim. So all the groupings are correct. All right, this is section 1 rhythm. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. See you in the next video.